Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Emma and it is the channel about trading on binary options. So in this video I'm going to overclock my deposit and we will start with the lowest budget. And as usual I'm going to use my trading strategy that is based on support and resistance levels, and lots of guys really like this strategy. They write me about this into my Telegram chat, into my personal messages, and sometimes in the comments. So you can also leave the comment under this video and tell me what strategy you prefer to use in your trading. In fact, I want to tell you about my Telegram chat. It's closed, but you can easily join it without any problem, and there I post trading signals with yield of 80-90%. It is very useful for some guys. They tell me about this, and also for these reviews from the people who trade due to these trading signals. I created a Telegram channel. It is open and you can come and see what they write there. It's very interesting. To get into my Telegram chat, you just need to click on the link under this video, get into my Telegram personal messages and write me the code word private. I will add you into my personal private chat and we will be trading together. So guys, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, put your like, write a comment, and we will start our trading. So hi everyone, today I will try to make my deposit bigger. I have only $1 and I want to make $8,000. So as usually I'm going to use my technical analysis and I'm going to work out all the situations that I know, and I think that everything will be okay. So watch this video to the end, maybe you will find something useful for yourself. So guys, it's the first situation. You can see the uptrend, that's very good, and also you can see the resistance level. The price approached this level and there was the breakthrough of the level. So let's open a trade for 1 minute, went up. I think that very soon the price will continue moving up because the price has already broken through this level. There is a small attenuation, but anyway I think the upward movement will continue because the potential for an increase is very good. Well, it's quite good. The price kept on moving up and we have got the profit. 1 minute was enough here, as I said. So this level was broken through completely. The price is at the top. We have got the profit. So let's continue. So here we are in the same currency pair after 30 minutes. So I rewinded the chart to the left and I'm setting the level due to these candlesticks. It's the support level here. So let's return to the beginning. Here you can see there is a very good downtrend here. The price is approaching the support level. There was a small rollback up and it's a very good point to open a trade. Let's do it. We're down for 3 minutes. I think the downtrend will continue and this rotation will be profitable for us. Well, it's very good. After the rollback up, the downward movement continued and we have got the profit. You can see that. Also, you can notice the price hasn't approached our level yet. So let's open the next trade here again. Let's do it. We're down for 3 minutes and I'm sure the price will keep on moving down because I'm setting the time with the reserve because it can be the flat or another situation, and after that the movement will continue. Well, it's not bad. The price continued moving down, but anyway, we could see the rollback up. So it's quite dangerous rotation, but anyway, we got the profit and this time was enough here. So after the small rollback up, the price will continue moving down. So let's open the trade. We're down for 2 minutes. I think this time will be the best idea here. I think the price will approach our level, so we need to check it. Well, it's not bad. The price continued moving down. We have taken the profit and this time was okay for us. So the price slowed down its pace and there is the rollback appearing. And I think there can be the small flat, so we need to change another situation. So here we can see there was a very good downward movement. The price touched this level and even there was the false breakout. You can see the wick of green candlestick go beyond the level. So after that there was a roll back up, and right now the price has been moving to our level again. So it's the downward movement and the price maximum is getting lower. So in this situation we need to open a trade for 3 minutes with down. I think the price will keep on moving down, and this time will be okay because even there is a small flat, we will get our profit. Well, it's quite good. The price continued its moving down and it possibly broken through the support level, so we have got the very awesome profit and I'm ready to continue. Let's find another situation. Well, here you can see there is a very good downtrend, and also you can notice the support level, and the price bounced a little from this level, and there is the small attenuation right now. Since the rollback happened not so big, I think the price will continue moving down, so let's open the trade with down for 3 minutes. I think that very soon this level will be broken through definitely, and we're setting this time with the reserve because there is a chance of a small flat here. Well, it's quite interesting. There was the rollback up and then price impulsively continued moving to our level and we have closed our trade profitable. So this time was enough for us. So right now you can see the sticking to the level, and let's open the trade for 1 minute with down here. I think this time will be enough, and in this time this level will be broken through definitely. Well, I like it. The price broke through this level and then went down. We have taken the profit and this time was enough here. So everything is going well. Let's continue and find another interesting situation. Well, here you can see the resistance level, and also you can notice that there is a very good upward movement and the price maximum is getting higher. I think that the price will keep on moving up, so that's why we need to open a trade with up. Right now the price is at the line of an uptrend, and of course it will continue moving up because you can see the sticking to the level, and very soon there will be the breakthrough of the level. Well, it's very good. The price continued moving up and we have got the profit. So 3 minutes were enough here. So the upward movement continued also, and the resistance level was broken through, and the result is very awesome. So we can continue. Well, I rebanded the chart to the left, and here I'm setting the level due to the low values of the candlesticks, so I can return. And here you can notice the very good downtrend. The price already broke through this level and then fixed itself, so it also slowed its pace. So we need to open a trade for 3 minutes with down, and I'm sure after the small accumulation the downward movement will continue because the potential for a decrease is very good and the support level is already broken through. Well, it's very good, guys. As you can see, the price kept on moving down and we have got the very brilliant profit. So 3 minutes were enough for this, so we can continue. Well, guys, here you can see the resistance level, and you can notice right now the price has broken through this level and has been moving up very confidently. So let's open a trade for 1 minute with down because you can already see the pullback down, and in most cases after the impulsive breakthrough there is the pullback down. So this time must be enough for this. So guys, let's check and see what can happen. Well, it's quite interesting. The price has been moving quite impulsively and we have taken the profit, so this time was enough here. You could see very brilliant pullback down and it brought us the very good profit. Well, guys, here you can see at the bottom there is the support level, and also you can notice the downward movement and the price maximum is getting lower. So right now the price has been falling down to our support level. So let's open a trade for 1 minute with up. I think that from the support level there will be a rollback up, and this situation will be enough for this time. So because in most cases after the impulsive movement to the level there are bounces in the opposite direction. So guys, let's check it. Well, it's quite good. We have got quite interesting situation. There was the rollback up and we have got the profit. So 1 minute was enough here. So let's keep on our trading. Well, I divided the chart to the left and I can set the level due to these candlesticks. So let's return, and here you can see the upward movement. And then there was a pullback down. So right now the price has slowed down. So let's open a trade for 3 minutes with up. I think that very soon the price will continue moving up after this rollback and will be moving to the resistance level. So we need to wait and check what can happen. Well, it's not bad. The price kept on moving up and the resistance level was broken through, and after that there was a pullback down, but we have closed our trade profitable, and this time was enough here, so let's continue. Well, here you can see there was a very good uptrend, and also you can see the resistance level here. So the price touched it and then bounced down, and after this bounce the upward movement continued. So the price maximum is getting higher and there is sticking to the level. So let's open a trade for 2 minutes with up. I think that very soon this level must be broken through definitely, and we need to wait. Well, it's very good. The price continued moving up and then this level was broken through. So we have got our profit. 2 minutes were enough here. So guys, let's keep on our trading. Well, here you can see the resistance level, and also there was a very good uptrend. The price touched this level, then there was a pullback down. So in this situation we need to open a trade with up for 3 minutes because the price has been moving up and the price minimum is getting higher. So I think the price will continue moving up and then this level will be broken through. So I'm setting this time with the result because I can expect a small flat or maybe a pullback down, and after that the upward movement must continue. So let's check it. Well, it's quite good. The price continued moving up and then the resistance level was broken through and it's brought us the profit. So let's continue and find another situation. Well, here you can see the support level, and also you can notice the downward movement and the price maximum is getting lower. So right now the price is at the line of a downtrend. So in this situation it's better to open a trade for 3 minutes with down because I expect the price moving down to the support level, and also this situation resembles me the figure of technical analysis ascending triangle, and it is quite possible that the price will continue moving down. So guys, let's check it. Well guys, it's not bad. The price continued moving down and here we have got the profit. So you could see the false breakout of the support level, and after that the price bounced up. After that the down movement continued, and maybe very soon this level will be broken through completely. Also in this situation there is a chance of a small flat or bounce up because after the breakthrough the price bounced up with very impulsive candlesticks. This level gives the very resistant reaction and maybe it cannot be broken so easily. So let's find another situation. Well guys, here you can see there is a very good upward movement. So you can also notice the price touched this level of resistance and then slowed its pace. So let's open a trade for 1 minute with down here. I think that this situation will give the pullback down because in most cases after such confident move into the level there will be the pullback in the opposite direction. So guys, let's check it. Well guys, it's not bad. There was the pullback down and here we have got the profit. So 1 minute was enough here. So after the small flat the price really bounced down and here we have got the very awesome result. So let's continue. Well guys, here you can see that there was a very good upward movement, and you can notice our resistance level, and pay attention to the wick of green candlestick that goes beyond the level. It's been the false breakout. So right now the price bounced down a little, so I think this level will be broken through completely. So let's open a trade for 3 minutes with up. This time will be with a reserve because there is a chance of a small flat or maybe a pullback down again, and after that the upward movement will continue because the price has a very good potential for an increase. So let's check it. Well, it's very good. You can see the price continued moving up, and this level was broken through. We have got a very brilliant profit, so 3 minutes were enough here. So our deposit is $6,000 already, and it means that we can open the last trade for today. So just let me find something suitable for this. Well, here you can notice the support level, and also pay attention that there is the downward movement and the price maximum is getting lower. So the price has been moving quite impulsively, and you can pay attention that there is still a place to the support level. So let's open a trade with down for 3 minutes. Right now it is a rollback up is happening, and it's a very good point to open a trade. I think the price will continue moving down because the potential for a decrease is very good here. Let's check it. Well guys, it's quite good. The price continued moving to our support level, and after that there was the brilliant bounce up. So you can see that we have closed our trade profitable, and this time was enough here. So maybe in this situation it would be better to put 2 minutes, but I opened with the reserve, and our trade is profitable, and it's the most important here. My deposit is $8,000, and as I planned, I completed this goal, and we have done it together. Well guys, I hope you like this result because this result is very awesome, and you could see all the steps that I have taken in my trading, and you can repeat it yourself. Just find the similar situations on the market, but remember that market situations can always be different. Be careful. And of course, I'm inviting you to my Telegram chat. There you can find very useful information for yourself. You can ask any questions about the trading, about the strategy, and you will get access to the trading signals that we can help you in your trading. Of course, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, put your like, write a comment, and I'll see you next time.